In this video, we'll solve an interesting and easy log equation. The given log equation is ln 3x by ln 2x equals 3 by 2. We know ln 3x actually log e base 3x. So it is written as ln 3x. Again, from multiplication rule, we know that ln ab can be written as ln a plus ln b. We'll apply this rule here. So from the left side of the equation, ln 3x can be written as ln 3 plus ln x by ln 2 plus ln x equals 3 by 2. So we have applied the multiplication rule. Next we can cross multiply and we can write 2 times ln 3 plus ln x equals 3 times ln 2 plus ln x. Now we have 2 ln 3 plus 2 ln x equals 3 ln 2 plus 3 ln x. From log rules, we know that we can write a ln x equals ln x to the power a. So we'll apply this rule for 2 ln 3x and 3 ln 2x. So we have ln 3 square plus 2 ln x equals ln 2 cube plus 3 ln x. We can write the left side on the right side and right side on the left side. So we can write 3 ln x plus ln 2 cube means 8 equals 2 ln x plus 3 square means ln 9. Again, we can take the ln x on the left side and other numbers on the right side, and we can write 3 ln x minus 2 ln x equals ln 9 minus ln 8. From here we have 3 ln x minus 2 ln x as ln x equals ln 9 by 8, because from log rules we know that if we have ln a minus ln b, we can write this as ln a by b. So we have applied this rule here. Ln 9 minus ln 8 equals ln 9 by 8. So we can see that both sides has ln. So we can write as x equals 9 by 8. So this is our solution for the given log equation. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.